Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to do reading practice. So let us read some small English passages. So let us begin. The monkey. I see a monkey. I see a monkey. It is on a tree. It is on a tree. It has a long tail. It has a long tail. It jumps very quickly. It jumps very quickly. The next passage is James the pilot. James is a pilot. James is a pilot. He is wearing a flight suit. He is wearing a flight suit. He flies to Paris. He flies to Paris. He loves flying. He loves flying. The next passage is the hot sun. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. I run to the big tree. I run to the big tree. I sit and rest in the shade. I sit and rest in the shade. The wind is nice. The wind is nice. I sip a cold drink. I sip a cold drink. The next passage is nuts. Mom, give me nuts. Mom, give me nuts. I like nuts. I like nuts. I can eat many nuts. I can eat many nuts. Here are your nuts, said Mom. Here are your nuts, said Mom. The next passage is carrots. I like carrots. I like carrots. They are crunchy and good for you. They are crunchy and good for you. My mommy is so happy that I like carrots. My mommy is so happy that I like carrots. She said they are good for my eyes. She said, "They are good for my eyes." The next passage is the frog. The boy can see a little frog. The boy can see a little frog. The frog can hop. The frog can hop. It can swim too. It can swim too. The boy likes the little frog. The boy likes the little frog. So friends, today we read some simple passages. Now try to practice reading these passages again. Thank you.